Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your device and search for Roblox. Open the official website and tap on Continue in Browser Embed. Now, if I try to log in my Roblox account, you can see that a code has been sent to my email. But if you are not able to get the code, you can tap on Use another verification method and then enter the backup code to log in your account. But if you don't even have your backup code, simply tap on the Roblox support link at the bottom. A new page will open up. Scroll down to the bottom end of it, select Customer Support and describe the problem you are facing. And that's how you can fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.